This is Jeep Compass 2021 2.4 liter engine. When you press on the start button and the dash light shutting down and flicking, and the engine doesn't start. The first thing you have to do is to check the battery, okay? And the other one is auxiliary battery. If the auxiliary battery not working, it won't allow the engine to start too. Make sure you check the main battery is good. And if the main battery is good, try to disconnect the disconnector here. Disconnector control the power to the auxiliary battery. If the auxiliary battery not working, it won't allow the engine to start too. If you disconnect this one, the engine start normal. And check the battery underneath here. This is the auxiliary battery under here. It's a gel wall battery, a little one. If you replace the auxiliary battery, and everything will start.